Today we show you how to make oatmeal with acai berry yogurt, a delicious and nutritious breakfast. Let's get started! Pour the oats in a cup, followed by at least 3 times the amount of boiled water. Give it a nice stir until the oats grow and become soft. Put the mixture aside and take a handful of dates. Chop them into fine bits and add them to the mix. For extra flavor, pour in a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Give a nice stir. Add in half a cup of Greek yogurt and mix all the ingredients together. Take the remaining yogurt and add in a teaspoon of the super nutritious acai berry powder. Stir until you have a wonderful purple cream. Now you're ready to compose your beautiful cups. Create layers, alternating the oat and dates mixture with acai berry yogurt. Make the layers thick enough so that they won't crush one another and will give that pretty stuck look. Top it up with some fresh fruit and bee pollen. That's it! Enjoy your healthy breakfast! Hi there! Thanks for watching this to the end. We really appreciate it! If you like what you saw, please help us grow by subscribing, liking and sharing the video.
You can follow the link in the description to see the recipe step by step, to read about its nutritional properties and more. You will also be able to adjust the servings and measurement unit to your needs, making it super easy to cook this at home.
Thank you! Have a great day!